Hello and welcome everyone. This is my first FaceTime video, and in this video I will be sharing my Amazon interview experience. This is my second attempt. The first attempt is given in the description box, so you can check that out. So let's jump to the point. Before this I posted on LinkedIn, but after some time I deleted the post because I want to share the experience here on YouTube, so my future self know how bad my communication skill was. So let's get to the point. I applied on the career portal without any referral, and within 2 to 3 weeks, I received a mail for the OA test. So I have 48 hours to attempt the OA test. I prepared for it, and now it's time for the test. There are 3 questions which I have to complete within 90 minutes. So I completed the test. After this, within a week, I received a call from the Amazon saying I successfully cleared the OA test. Now it's time for the interview. So there will be 3 interviews, and the selection will be based on the cumulative score of these 3 interviews. 2 will be based on coding, and third will be bar raiser round. So they scheduled a coding interview on the next week. So I have 7 days to prepare for the interview. It will be a coding interview based on DSA. So on the next day, I received a call from the same person saying another interviewer is free on tomorrow. So will it be okay if round 1 will be on tomorrow and round 2 will be on next week? I said yes. Why? So let me give you a context here. Before this, I received a call from the another HR for the another role. It was the support engineer role, and this one is FTC role, which is for 1 year. So in that role, they are looking for a person who is specialized in DSA C++. I know C++, but I required a little bit time to prepare for it. They are planning to schedule an interview on the day after tomorrow. I said 2 days is very less. So can you just give me a little bit more time so I can prepare well? So they said they first have to contact the interviewer for the next date. So after this, I have not received any clarification from their end. So that's why I said yes instantly. So it's time for round 1. Round 1 will be on the next day. I received a call at 5 p.m. and round 1 will be on 11 a.m. the next day. I have less than a day to prepare. So I prepared my best. Now it's time for round 1. Interviewer asked me about myself, some leadership principle questions which I have prepared. Now it's time for the DSA question. In the interview, they usually ask 2 to 3 DSA questions, but in my case, they asked a DSA question which is a hard backtracking question, and in this question I have not seen before, which is available on LeetCode but only for premium users. So I attempted the question, but I failed to do the same. So I was not able to solve this question within 1 hour. So my interview did not happen as I expected. Now all stakes on round 2. I have to give my 100% for round 2. So I prepared my best for this day, but I was not ready what's coming ahead for me. So it's time for round 2, and the interviewer did not come. So I contacted the HR via mail and phone call, but received no information. After 1 hour, I received a message from HR that they are on vacation and will look into it after coming back. So I waited, but I was also a little skeptical about my interview because round 1 did not happen as I expected. But I have to be optimistic here. I thought maybe interviewer have to prioritize other things at that moment, so they miss this meeting. So in these days, festival season are coming by, so I thought maybe they have taken the leave and enjoying the vacation. I waited for a few days, and after some days I received a mail from Amazon saying position is no longer available. So I contacted the HR, and HR said round 1 feedback was not positive, so that's why they are not moving forward with my profile. So that's how my interview ended.